Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this, stepping into your backyard and finding a stunning ultra-green oasis waiting for you. Lush native plants in pink, purple, yellow, and blue cascade gracefully from vertical gardens. Soft solar lighting glows along the edges. The gentle sound of water invites you to pause, breathe, and simply be knowing your space. Supports local wildlife too, all without breaking the bank. Today, we're exploring over 100 backyard oasis ideas that will inspire you to transform your outdoor space into a stunning eco-luxury retreat. From vertical gardens to native plant communities, you'll discover how the right sustainable design can create comfort, beauty, and environmental harmony in any footprint on a budget. Let's begin this journey into your dream eco-luxury haven. Ultra-green landscapes are about maximizing every inch with intention and ecology. Vertical planters multiply your planting space without expanding your footprint. Native plant communities support pollinators while creating stunning visual interest. Every element serves a purpose, beauty, function, and environmental stewardship, all while keeping costs manageable. Materials set the tone. Reclaimed cedar brings warmth and sustainability without premium prices. Natural stone offers timeless elegance with permeable options. Native plants provide color while supporting local ecosystems, often at lower long-term costs. Each choice creates a different mood, a different feeling as you step into your space. Lighting transforms your ultra-green garden after dark. Solar-powered fixtures eliminate wiring costs while creating magical ambiance. String lights cast a canopy of stars overhead. Pathway markers guide your steps safely. These touches extend your enjoyment well into the evening without increasing your energy bill. Plantings bring your eco space to life. Layered native borders in pink, purple, yellow, and blue add color and fragrance while supporting biodiversity. Drought-tolerant varieties thrive with minimal care and water costs. Climbing native vines soften boundaries and add height. The right plants make your compact garden feel abundant and alive without constant maintenance expenses. The beauty of ultra-green design is its adaptability. Minimalist layouts with architectural natives offer contemporary elegance on a budget. Cottage-style native containers with cascading blooms bring romantic charm affordably. Budget-friendly solutions with repurposed planters prove eco-luxury is accessible. Each style speaks to different dreams, different lifestyles, different budgets. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own ultra-green retreat. Do you see a sleek vertical garden with minimalist native plantings or a cozy native container collection with cascading blooms? Would you choose the warmth of reclaimed wood, or does your heart lean toward contemporary stone? Do you crave the romance of solar lanterns and climbing natives, or the simplicity of integrated LED lighting and ornamental grasses? Think about your space, your climate, your lifestyle, and your budget. Do you have a sunny balcony or a shaded courtyard? Are you drawn to high-maintenance blooms, or do you prefer native plants that thrive with minimal intervention and cost? There's no wrong answer, only what feels right for you and your local ecosystem. Imagine stepping into your transformed outdoor space 1 year from now. The native plantings have filled in. Solar lights glow softly in the evening. Butterflies and birds visit your eco-sanctuary. How does it feel to have created this beauty that also helps the environment without overspending? Who will you share this space with? What moments will unfold here? Your ultra-green vision is waiting to become reality. If these ultra-green landscape ideas have inspired you, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat that nurtures both the soul and the planet regardless of budget. Each week, we share thoughtful approaches to creating spaces that reflect your unique style while supporting environmental health affordably. Your journey to creating the perfect ultra-green garden starts with a single native plant, a single idea, a single decision to transform your outdoor space sustainably and affordably. Let us walk this path with you, offering inspiration and guidance as you create the eco-sanctuary you've been dreaming of. Take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. It helps others discover these ideas and join our community of garden enthusiasts who believe in the transformative power of beautiful, sustainable, budget-friendly small spaces. Now, allow these images to inspire your vision of ultra-green elegance. Let your imagination wander through these beautiful eco spaces and notice which details speak to your heart and your values.